Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Taxi Macro Anime Vanguard. Open your deck builder and select the Taxi Macro template to map triggers and attack orders. Next, label each macro slot with the corresponding phase and card name to avoid mistakes during fast plays. Use tokens to mark active taxi targets and adjust priorities before each match. Practice one macro at a time until activation feels natural and reliable in live games. Map macro slots by role and risk level so your taxi macro runs predictably under pressure. Start with your highest value combos in the earliest slots and follow with backup plays that respond to opponent interference. Keep a short cheat sheet beside you and review it before each round to refresh priorities. Consistent mapping reduces misclicks and improves timing, letting you focus on reads and adapting to opponent choices mid-match. Timing makes or breaks taxi macro execution, so build buffers around sensitive activations to prevent misfires. Prioritize interrupting opponent combos and slot defensive triggers where they will reliably outpace enemy plays. Run controlled practice games to discover precise delays and refine the sequence order. Keep adjustments minimal so the macro stays predictable, and log the successful timing values for different match scenarios to speed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.